Hey, my name's Tom O'Neill. I'm here at the Videnoum booth at 2024 NAB. Today we're looking at the SACHTLER Activate system from SACHTLER. Very unique tripod fluid head. As you can see, there's some really unique features that sets this apart from your traditional fluid head. On the front, you'll notice this lever. Not only does this allow us to balance the fluid head, but we can actually take the entire fluid head off. Below it lies a little spigot. If you look inside the head itself, there's 3 teeth which actuate, and that's what clamps on and gives us the tension to lock it in place. In addition to that, on the back side, we have a prism level bubble. The advantage that's going to give you is not only can you see the level of the head from the top, you can also see it from the side or from the bottom. We've got 15 steps of counterbalance and 7 steps of drag on both the pan and the tilt. And I'll give you a quick demo of the tripod to show you how that works. So the Flowtech's been out for roughly 8 years now. It's really revolutionized the way we shoot and use tripods. On most traditional tripods, you're going to have 2 stages with locking mechanisms, which you have to spin. On the Active, you have 3 levers, which will allow you to raise and lower the tripod instantly without any real force. In addition to that, we have a carry handle. It's a standard 3/8 fitting, which is on this side and over here. We've also introduced a mechanism which allows you to move the handle sideways. So bear in mind there is no tie down on the bottom of this head. All the tension is built into the fluid head itself. So one of the added benefits is when we lower the tripod, we release the leg locks. Now we can get the tripod fully flat to the ground. And in addition to that, you can also level the fluid head because you have no tie down beneath it. We have leg locks here that you can press, so we can turn our tripod into a low hat or a high hat, or we can go back into the full position. So it's very, very easy to maneuver and set up. In addition to that, we make a line of accessories. We have a slider adapter and a 3/8 fitting. So if I wanted to jump onto a slider, I could simply take the head off. Bring my entire slider adapter, drop it here. If I want to go back to a fluid head, take this off, remove this plate, just like that. If you look closely, you'll notice that the plate fitting for the slider adapter is the same as the fluid head. So one of the neat things about this, if you're working with a teleprompter and you don't want to overload the fluid head, which is rated to 27 pounds, you could put your teleprompter directly on this and balance it. Back up again. It's a side load plate, so it snaps right back into place. You can lock it off, rebalance, fluid head on. So the idea behind this system is that everything is completely modular. You don't need any tools. There's no loose parts. You can build it up, you can build it down. So there's a lot of scalability in terms of how you can use the product. And yeah, that's a pretty brief overview of the Active system and how it works. So if you have any questions, you can go to www.sachttler.com. And yeah, thanks for listening.